Okay, here are two examples which are level 2, so a bit complicated, but never mind, I think you can handle it. We can do it step by step. So here is example 9. You can read the questions first about Tokyo Tower. As you can see, the graph is a bit complicated, so I suggest you may draw a new graph with only simple lines for yourself. A straight line represents the tower and the horizontal ground, and you can have point A and also point B on here. This is C, so this is P, and then you have two lines joining P like this. Okay, I tried my best. And then this one is 99.9 meter. This is 150 meter, and the whole angle here is 60 degree. This is right angle. Okay, now the questions ask you to find the angle of elevation of P from B. It means you are standing at P because from P and then looking at B. Okay, therefore the angle of elevation would be this one, the red angle here. Standing at P and looking at B, you have to find out the value of the red angle. And in this question, actually, you have two right angle triangles. One is this one. Relates to the angle you need to find out. Oh, why is this so ugly? Okay, this one. And then in this right angle triangle, you can see that you have one side and one unknown angle. One side and one angle only. But to use sine, cosine, and tangent, we need to relate two sides with one angle. So you still need one more side. And I suggest that you can find out this side because CP shared by triangle BCP and also triangle ACP and other right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle in this question. Okay, so the first step, you can use the green right angle triangle to find out the length of CP, and then make use of CP and the right angle triangle in yellow to find out the size of the red angle. For the green right angle triangle, you know the length of this side. Okay, the length of this side is known, and then one angle, and then you need to find out CP. So two sides and one angle. So relate them by sine, cosine, and tangent. So start the solution here. AC and CP means tangent ratio. So tangent 60 degree equals to 99.9 plus 150 divided by CP. So CP can be calculated by this is 249.9 divided by tangent 60 degree. I keep the exact expression here, and then make use of the yellow right angle triangle to find out the size of angle BPC. So tangent angle BPC equals to 150 divided by CP, which is expressed by this expression. Okay, this is CP. This is CP. And then input to your calculator. You will find that the answer should be 46.1 degree. 46.1 degree. Therefore, the angle of elevation is 46.1 degree. Okay, once again, this part we use the green right angle triangle to find out CP first, and then this part make use of CP and the yellow right angle triangle to find out the required angle. Okay, and other example here. Okay, and here is example 10. One more example. A tree, and you have two children, Sandy and Roy, standing on the ground and look at the nest at A. So for simple calculation, you may draw a simpler graph first. Okay, this is ground and this is C and E. So Sandy is standing here and Roy stands here. Around here, this is the nest, and join all the lines. L. Okay, draw lower. And this is the dotted line. Both of them are 1.2 meter high. The eyes of them, I mean. Okay, and part A asks you to find the height of the nest. Okay, what is the height of the nest? Means the perpendicular distance from the nest to the ground here. Okay, and this one you can separate into two parts. The lower part is 1.2 meter up to here, from the ground to here. And then let me name this point at F, and you still have to calculate the length of AF. Okay, part A solution. Tell me the position of F. I draw F on the line BD such that, because you know there are many points on BD, such that you have to fulfill the following requirements: AF perpendicular to BD. Okay, focus on how to calculate AF. Maybe I can let H meter be AF, the length of AF be H. You know that the total distance of the line BD is 7.2 meter. We have to make use of this one and try to express BF and FD separately first. The first part, BF. You know that tangent 54 degree equals to AF, which means H here divided by BF. I need to express BF in terms of H, so BF equals to H divided by 54. This is our first step, okay? Express BF in terms of H. And then the second step, we have to express the other part, FD, in terms of H. So tangent 48 degree equals to H divided by 7.2. So this is H. No, 7.2, sorry. Not 7.2. This is FD. Therefore, FD equals to H divided by tangent 48 degrees. So this is our second part. Using similar way, you have to express FD in terms of H. Okay, after we prepare these two expressions, we can set up an equation. You know that BF plus FD equals to 7.2 because this is the whole line BD. Means the sum of these two expressions equals to 7.2. And actually, for this one, you can treat it as H times 1 over tangent 54 degree, right? So for the other one, you can also treat it as H times 1 over tangent 38 degree. And in these two expressions, H are the unknown, and the remaining part here actually is a known value. You can calculate the value by the calculator. So you can take out, you are adding up these two expressions, so you can take out these two common factors here, and then the remaining part will be 1 over tangent 54 degree and 1 over tangent 38 degree equals to 7.2. Okay, taking out common factor, factorization you learned before. Therefore, H can be calculated by, use your calculator. First, calculate the value of this part, and then use 7.2 divide the result of this part. Okay, so by your calculator and by my calculator, I can get the answer as, yeah, oh, did I calculate wrong? Let me calculate once again. Yeah, correct this time. 3.588366229. As H is not a final answer, so I'll try to keep it as accurate as I can. And finally, the answer, the height of the nest. Therefore, the height of the nest equals to H means this long decimal plus, okay, this is h plus the remaining part 1.2. So after correcting to 3 significant figures, the answer should be 4.79 meter. Okay, so this is the answer for part A only. And for part B, you have to calculate the horizontal distance between Sandy and the last. This time maybe I can use blue. Horizontal distance between Sandy and the last actually mean this one, just like the example before. We have to calculate the length of this part, or actually equals to the length of this part, means BF. Okay, move it. Part B, you have to calculate BF. Now you know the value of H, so easy for you to calculate BF. BF equals to, by your part A, BF equals to this one, H divided by tangent 54 degree. So H, the value of H will be 3 point something, copy the whole decimal, divided by tangent 54 degree. So by your calculator, it should be 2.61 meter. Okay, so the horizontal distance, tell me in sentence again. Is 2.61 meter. Okay, easy for part B. So actually the main point is part A. If you have any problem, you can find me privately or ask in the Google Classroom, never mind. So try your best to do the homework. Bye.